Morning. Hi, my name is Matt with Liberty Farms here. Let's feed some chickens. We have a smorgasbord. Looks like some omelets, lettuce, and some various other stuff in the bottom. We gotta feed some ducks too, and one goose. Let's go. Morning, ladies. You did it. Hey, where did all your brothers go? I only see one cockerel, one rooster, another cockerel. Oh, Arctic expedition. Yeah, all the cockerels that are getting really close to maturing, they went to freezer camp yesterday. They are eating far too much food and giving me no eggs. Imagine that. Look at these little guys. Look at those little goslings in there. Just tearing it up. They're growing really fast. I think they're 4 weeks old now? No, they're 3. Goslings, these guys right here. 3 weeks old, I got 3 of them. They're gonna grow up to be 1 gander and 2 goose. The ducks are getting fat too. They're going on an Arctic expedition as well in about 2 months. Yep. They mudded up their swimming pool as well. Again, as they do every day. But we're gonna give that a quick dump out real quick. Give her a little bit of a rinse and get them some new water. Well on their way of destroying this one. Good thing I bought 2 of them. Go check on the little chickens here. Got a whole bunch in the halfway house brooder inside the chicken coop, which is probably already fairly warm, even though it's only about 9 o'clock. But let's find out. I can hear them. No escapees. Let's go. Look at these guys. And you drank all your water too. And they ate all their food. Not surprising. Yeah, all my meat birds went to freezer camp yesterday as well, so I might just take some of these juveniles here, these little half-pounders, and put them in the meat tractor so they can grow out a little bit better. They're running everywhere. I got almost all of these are dark Brahmas I hatched out, but I got a few little guys back there somewhere that are Americanas, the blue eggers. There's one right there. And I got some brown leghorns in the basement brooder right now too. And they'll be coming out here as soon as they're fully feathered out. I need to scoop these boxes out. They've trashed them. Got one real egg so far this morning. Not bad. Actually, that's kind of cold. That's probably from yesterday. And they still got some food left. And that must be because I don't have 9 roosters eating all of it. Anyway, we're gonna get these guys fed. Got some. I better put this down. Let's get a view from their perspective. Okay, put it back here. That was the little guys can get it. Come on. And I give them 2 scoops of basically a layer crumble every day. And let's see, some scratch grains. Just 1 scoop, maybe a little bit less. They get plenty of their other all natural food waste, etc. In the winter, I have to give them a little bit more cracked corn, so they got something to put in their craw every night to help keep them warm. But right now, this is all they really need. See, there's one of those Americanas. I see this one out and about all the time. The other one's still trying to stay close to the heat lamp. This little guy, he's everywhere. You're a rooster, I can tell. Yep, you're a rooster. Too many black feathers. You're a hen. You're a hen. You're a rooster. Okay, now we're gonna go get this chicken tractor. We're gonna move it a lot closer here. It's probably 1/8 of a mile away now. We'll get it back up here closer to the chicken coop so I can put these juveniles in there and keep a little better track of them. Can't play music. Copyright bans. Head down here a little further. Let's see if I can set off my seatbelt alarm. Yeah, we'll get this moved, then we'll head on over to the Beehive and see how those guys are doing. That's a good spot. All right, let's see how comical this is going to be. Well, some of those are going to be fairly easy to catch. got you now. Oh, it's all right. There we go. 7, 8. You just want to go lay an egg, don't you? All right, I'll be out of your hair in a second. Oh, quit fussing. Come on. That's 10. How did you get your head to that little hole? Goodness. We'll go with 11. Come on, we're tipping you right side up. Everybody in new positions. Come on. There you go. Get in the bottom. Go free, sort of. Come on. Oh boy, I think you're gonna be a rooster. You're definitely a hen. There you go, egg layer. You'll be a hen. You're definitely a hen. You're also an egg layer. Yeah, hen. Another hen. Another hen. Now the rest are all hens. That's good. Egg producers. Come on. Hey, you're going free. There you go. Come here, little guy. You're the smallest one out of the bunch. See, already pecking at the ground. Look at that. Perfect. Lots of bugs in there. Eat all the ticks, okay? Find all the ticks and eat them. Thank you. Okay, let's check on this beehive. So I'm gonna be very straightforward and tell you, I am not an expert. I did watch the YouTube video though, but I've had this beehive about a year with no bees in it until a week ago. I was trying to catch wild swarms last year because I really wanted to just get some bees that were already acclimated to the northern climates up here in Minnesota, and was fairly successful. This dragonfly is right in my face. Fairly unsuccessful. So this year I found a gentleman who is in Minnesota who I was able to get a 5-frame nuke from with a queen that did overwinter. So that's what I got. Picked him up Tuesday last week, let him sit in here right on top of this hive overnight, and then Wednesday morning last week I moved them all in, and they were really friendly. I didn't really have to suit up at all. I put a mosquito net over my head and long sleeves, obviously, just to be smart, but I just gave them a few puffs of smoke, and really gentle. They didn't do much, but now that they're getting established, we're going to find out if their attitude's changed or not. But I do want to check to make sure they're building the frames out and see if their feeder needs to get filled and possibly put a new box on here. So we're going to go ahead and get my smoker going here, find my long sleeves, and find a nuclear bomb. One of those things that'll kill mosquitoes. I gotta cut that out. I can't say that kind of words on Facebook. I mean YouTube. I'll get banned for life. So we're gonna go ahead and get the smoker going here. I got this other box for him just in case I need it. Just set up simple here, just a little mosquito net, long sleeves. I figure if the bees want to not be bothered, they'll let me know, so I'll leave them alone. So we're just not gonna bug them too much. If they don't want to be bothered, we'll leave them alone. Try again another day. Make myself a little less appealing. Oh, I think that's called bird comb. I don't know. Let's pry this lid off and see what's going on in there. Oh yeah, look at that. There's bees everywhere. I don't know if they need more a box yet. They're working on, let's see. That's 5. And they've started working on see, they're working on that one. I don't want to bother them too much. So I could be wrong here, but they might not be ready for another box yet, but I know a lot of brood's gonna be coming out here very soon, so I'm thinking, I think I'm just gonna give them another box. I'm sure somebody in the comments is gonna tell me I'm wrong, and that's all right. I have no clue how to do this. I know a little bit, but I'm not gonna pat myself on the back because this is gonna be a learning process. So I don't want to bug them for a long time. I want to leave them alone for a month. So I think I am. I'm gonna go ahead and give them their box, and I'm sure the commenters will beat me up. Commenters will beat me up. just to verify here, I got them building comb out on all 5 of the ones I got in the nuke, plus 1, 2, 3 of the other frames. So let's go ahead and get this box gently on here. Yeah. I think I squashed one. I better get this lid back on and get out of here. I'll leave them alone. I rattled them up enough for one day. So, I'm sure I'm screwed up, completely messed up. I have no idea what I'm doing. But at least I'm doing better than a lot of people. I'm trying. So, I'm gonna sneak back up on that hive a little bit and get another shot. They don't seem to be too mad, but be on the safe side. I'm gonna go ahead and call that quits on the beehive checkup. I did give them another box. I don't know if I was right or wrong, but I'm pretty sure it can't hurt. Hi guys, thanks for checking out my vlog today. I really appreciate it. I really do. Hopefully you enjoyed my update on the beehive, even though I obviously have no clue what I'm doing. Nothing. Okay, I know a little bit. I watched a YouTube video, but no, I don't. I'm learning as I go. They're a different animal. They're far smarter than we are, and they're engineers. So, yeah, I'm going to enjoy this beehive journey. It's going to be probably long term. Actually, I know it's going to be long term. We'll see how it goes, though. It's going to be interesting. Hopefully I don't get stung. The goal is to not get stung. That means I'm treating them right. The ladies need to be treated right. So they give me honey and they pollinate all of the plants in my garden. I do need your help though. Please subscribe if you could. I really appreciate it. You may never, ever watch any of my videos ever again. But if you have it subscribed, those numbers really help, because I need to get to 100 subscribers so I can get a custom URL on my channel, which will allow me, not allow me, but allow everybody out there to more easily find my channel, which would be fantastic. I really appreciate it. So if you could, please hit that subscribe button. It would be appreciated all day long. If you haven't already, hit that like button. That helps as well. Drop a comment. Criticize me, please. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not the smartest person in the world. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. Give me a thumbs up. It's all good.